Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer to a different college with Seattle University. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by researching the colleges you're interested in transferring to. Visit the official Seattle University website to gather essential information. Check the transfer requirements for your desired program. Ensure that you meet the minimum GPA criteria for transfer students. Prepare your official transcripts from all previous institutions. Contact your current college's registrar's office for transcript requests. Ensure your transcripts are sent directly to Seattle University. Begin the application process by completing the online transfer application. Create an account on the Seattle University admissions portal. Fill out all required sections of the application accurately. Make sure to include your personal statement or essay. Use this essay to explain why you wish to transfer and your academic goals. Gather your letters of recommendation from professors or employers. Request these letters early to give your recommenders sufficient time. Visit the financial aid section of the Seattle University website. Complete the FAFSA to determine your eligibility for financial aid. Check for any additional scholarship opportunities for transfer students. Submit your application before the deadline to ensure consideration. Keep track of your application status through the admissions portal. Prepare for an interview if required by your prospective program. Be ready to discuss your academic history and future aspirations. Once accepted, carefully review the transfer credit evaluation provided by Seattle University. Consider your course registration options and speak with an academic advisor. Familiarize yourself with campus resources available for transfer students. Ensure you have housing arranged if you plan to live on campus. Attend orientation programs designed for transfer students. Engage with student organizations to build your campus network. Start your new academic journey with confidence at Seattle University. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.